Yeah, could you just give me name and title for the record, please?
Name and title.
My name?
Yes.
Head coach of Montego Bay United, Rodolfo Zappata.
Okay, coach.
A draw is not what you expected given previous encounter with Portmore. How was your team performance today?
The game was as I expect. It was a tough game. It was a playoff game. This is how playoff games are going to be played. Fighting during 99 minutes. We create so many opportunities. We couldn't finish, but at the end, I think at 1 point is better than nothing. But the most important is the attitude of my players, because they play good football and also they fight. So when we had the ball possession, we play nice and easy football, and then without the ball, we work hard in the tactical aspect.
During the game, I saw where you shifted around Johnny Thomas. Was this a tactic to distract the defenders and create more chances?
No, Janil did a great. Today he didn't score, but he worked for the team, so that his job was very important in the tactical aspect.
Coach, I can see where the scout was here. You think that affect the performance on the field here today, because I can see the footballers are playing reserve.
No, we have quality players. Today we miss Brian Brown for sure. As a center forward, he's the top goal scorer of the league, and in the last 3 games he couldn't attend, but the team respond good. So, it's a big advantage when you have the top goal scorer out of the starting 11. We have to change formation, we have to change for a different tactic, but the most important is how the team responds, and we respond good.
No, the Reggae Boyz coach was here. You think that affect the performance of the game because person was playing cautiously,
No, not at all. Not at all. I'm so proud of my play because they respond good. Of course, if the national team coach is watching, they have expectation. But if it's not only one performance. You have to follow the whole season, and we are playing in a very good level during the whole season. So I don't know what is going to be the decision of coach. But we have for sure 4 or 5 players ready to play for the national team, and also we have 4 players for Trinidad national team able to play.
And my final question: are you looking forward, towards your next match?
Next match?
Yeah, next.
It's going to be also difficult because we play at home with Waterhouse. So I would like to take this time to invite our supporters to fill it up the stadium on Wednesday to support our boys, because they play in good football and they deserve their support. So I would like to invite Montego Bay United supporters to fill it up the stadium on Wednesday.
As you mentioned, Brian Brown, what's the update on him? What's the update on Brian Brown?
Brian, I think that he's going to be available after the international games.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.